myself. Is he another player hung up on himself?